In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an invoice using Zoho CRM in N8N, step by step. If you work with automations and want to pull invoice data directly into your workflow, this is a quick and useful setup that can save you time and make your processes much smoother. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple N8N walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want to retrieve the invoice data from Zoho CRM. Once you're inside the workflow editor, look at the nodes panel on the side. This is where you can add new steps to your automation. Now from the nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can usually find it by searching for Zoho CRM in the node search bar, which makes it much faster if you have a lot of integrations available. Click on the Zoho CRM node to add it to your workflow. After you add the node, the next step is to choose Get an Invoice. This action tells N8N that you want to pull invoice information from your Zoho CRM account rather than creating or updating something else. Selecting the correct operation is important because it determines exactly what the node will do inside your automation. Once you've selected Get an Invoice, move on to configuring what to get. This is where you define the invoice details you want N8N to retrieve. Depending on your workflow, this may involve selecting the specific invoice record or setting the required fields so the node knows which invoice to return. Make sure the configuration matches the data you want to pull so the workflow can run properly. Take a moment to review the node settings carefully before moving on. Double-check the Zoho CRM connection, confirm that Get an Invoice is selected, and make sure the invoice lookup details are configured correctly. A quick review here can help prevent errors later in your automation. And that's it. You've now set up N8N to get an invoice using Zoho CRM. From here, you can continue building out the rest of your workflow and use that invoice data in the next steps of your automation. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more N8N automation tips.